So chapter 1 is titled People. So now in this first exercise, I'm going to play the role of teacher and Watsula will play the role of student. And the first exercise is a role play, and we're each going to take a role. For this one, since there's 3 different people, Watsula will play 2 of them. And now this is part of reading comprehension, but also listening skills and learning how to pronounce the words. Afterwards, there are going to be some exercises, and it's going to test your knowledge of what you just read or listened to. So I am going to be Uncle Angelo, and Watsula is going to be Mathini and Ishini. Okay. Hello, children. How are you?
Hello, Uncle. We are fine. Thanks. Uncle, you seem to have changed.
Really? How?
You don't have your beard anymore. What happened?
I decided to shave it off. Ishini, you have changed too. You now have long, wavy hair. It looks very nice.
Thank you, Uncle. But I like straight hair, like Mithini's. But I don't like my hair. I wish I had wavy hair like yours.
Why not, Mathini? You have beautiful straight black hair. Mathini picks up a photograph from the coffee table.
Who's this gentleman, Uncle?
He is my new boss, Mr. Ravi Rajan.
He is very tall and fair in complexion, isn't he?
Yes, he is about 180 centimeters in height.
He looks to be middle-aged and well-built. Look, he has a beard like you did, and his hair looks very thick and black.
That's right. And he has a pointed nose and sharp eyes, which makes him look very pleasant. Although he is my boss, he is a very nice man. So now this first activity, there are 5 sentences, and I'm going to ask Watsula if they're true or false. So now, if you have the workbook in front of you, you can go back to it if you don't remember, and you can find the passage. So A, Uncle Angelo looks the same. Is that true or false?
It's false.
Okay. Mr. Rajan has a beard. True or false?
It's true.
Yes. And then Ishini has short hair.
It's false.
Correct. Mathini likes to have wavy hair.
It's true.
Mathini has straight black hair.
It's true.
Good. So now fill in the following table using the information you gather about Mr. Rajan from the role play. So Mr. Ravi Rajan, so in this table, you'll see that there's different features that they want you to fill in, like details of them. So for instance, age, body, complexion, height, nose, face, hair, and any other distinguishing characteristics they talked about in the role play. So Watsula, could you go through each one and tell me, describe Mr. Ravi Rajan for us?
His age is middle-aged, and his body well-built, and his complexion fair, and his height 180 centimeters in height. He has pointed nose, and his face is, he has a beard and hair very thick and black. He has sharp eyes.
Very good. So now the last exercise in this section is they're asking for us to give a similar description of ourselves using the above format. So I'll go first. So for age, I'm middle-aged. My body, I would say average build. Complexion, fair. Height, I'm 5 feet 4 inches. Nose, maybe I'd say average nose, a little, maybe a little bit bigger size. Face, I'd say, oval, a little long. Hair, brown, straight. My eyes are brown, big, and that's all. So Watsala, how about you?
Age, middle-aged. My body is slim. Complexion, fair. Height, 5 feet and 2 inches. Nose, I think, sharp. Face, oval shaped. Hair, black and wavy hair. Other, I have a small spot on my chin.
Great.
You mean a birthmark? Is that what you mean?
Yes, birthmark.
Okay, good.
So this ends this section.